Ever wondered why you make certain decisions instantly while others leave you overthinking for days? Or why sometimes your gut feels right and other times it leads you astray? In Thinking Fast and Slow, Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman uncovers the hidden patterns behind our thinking and how understanding them can change the way we make decisions, manage businesses, and navigate life. Kahneman introduces us to two distinct systems of thinking. System 1 is fast, intuitive, and automatic, your gut reactions and snap judgments. System 2 is slow, deliberate, and analytical, your logical reasoning and conscious effort. Every choice we make is influenced by the dynamic and often conflicting interaction between these two systems. The book dives deep into the cognitive biases that shape our decisions, overconfidence, anchoring, loss aversion, and more. Kahneman shows us that our minds are not as rational as we think. For example, in business negotiations, marketing, or investing, understanding these biases can be the difference between success and costly mistakes. He also explores the concept of prospect theory, revealing why people fear losses more than they value equivalent gains, and how this irrationality drives many of our financial and personal choices. By recognizing these patterns, we can slow down System 1 when necessary, engage System 2 more effectively, and make smarter, more deliberate decisions. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a manager, or simply someone looking to improve decision-making, this book is a masterclass in understanding yourself and others. It equips you to spot errors before they happen, leverage intuition when it works, and bring logic to situations where instinct might mislead you. If you want to dive deeper into the fascinating world of human decision-making and truly transform how you think, don't just take my word for it. Listen to the full audiobook of Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Trust me, it will change the way you see your mind, your choices, and the world around you.